In today's video, I am going to teach you how to get Shopify authentication code. To begin, sign into your Shopify admin as you normally would. Once you are on the main dashboard, look for Settings. Click into Settings and then use the search bar within Settings to quickly find the security option you need. Type in two-step authentication and open the result that matches. Inside the two-step authentication area, you will start the setup for two-step login on your account using email. This adds an extra layer of protection by requiring a one-time code in addition to your password. Follow the prompt to set it up, and when you see the option to verify your account, select it. Shopify will ask how you want to verify, and at this point, you will choose your email. Now switch over to your email inbox. Find the message from Shopify that contains your verification code. Copy that code carefully. If you do not see it right away, check your spam or junk folder and make sure you are looking at the most recent email. Then go back to Shopify and paste or type the code into the verification field to confirm it. After your account is verified, Shopify will ask you to choose the method you want to use for getting authentication codes going forward. Choose Authenticator app if you want codes generated inside an app on your device, or choose SMS delivery if you prefer to receive codes by text message. If you select the Authenticator app option, Shopify will display a QR code. Open your Authenticator app, add a new account, and scan the QR code. If your app supports manual entry, you can enter the setup key instead. If you select SMS delivery, enter your phone number when prompted. Then click Next to continue. To finish, Shopify will ask for a 6-digit code. For an Authenticator app, open the app and read the current code. For SMS, check the text message you received. Enter the 6-digit code into the Shopify field, then click Turn On to enable two-step authentication. And that is all there is to it.